Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to do this 5 marker for GCSE. That means you use 2 equations. Now if that's something you struggle with, you can still join our lessons. Right now, we're given £10 for 10 days, right? So basically, 1 day of lessons is £1. That's mad good. So you may as well just try it, right? So hopefully you'll see you there. And you can use this video, you can use this question to see, do you need extra help? So again, physics are starting to ask more of these questions where they're 5 marks or more. And again, you identify the marks, that means there's probably 2 equations in there. So what I do is I can see the word period. So first thing I think is there's only 1 equation, or first thing I think is look at my equation sheet, because I know I get given that in my exams. We definitely should know by now. So I look at my equation sheet, and the only place I see the word period is I can see time period is equal to 1 over frequency. So I know if I want to calculate the period, the only thing I need to know is the frequency. But I look at this information, I don't see frequency anywhere. So I think, how can I get the frequency? So what we're given is, we're given a speed, because I know speed is always measured in meters per second, and I'm given a wavelength, right? It even says the word wavelength. So now what I do is to go back to my formula sheet, back to my equation sheet, and I look for the words wavelength, frequency, and a speed. And I see the equation that says wave speed is equal to frequency times by wavelength. That's the symbol we use to represent wavelength, basically because we ran out of letters. It's a Greek letter. You don't need to know that, you just need to know it represents wavelength. You don't even need to know that because your equation sheet tells you it is wavelength. So we fill in the numbers. We know the speed. So instead of writing V, I'm going to write the speed. I don't know the frequency, but I do know the wavelength. So instead of the wavelength symbol, I'm going to write the number 0.1. And I think, how do I get frequency? If I want to get frequency, I need to get rid of this multiplied by 0.1. To get rid of something, you do the opposite. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. And what do we do to one side? We have to do the other. So in the calculators, you're doing 3 times 10 to the power of 8 divided by 0.1. And we get the number, a really large number. I get 3 times 10 to the power 9. Frequency, I know, is measured in hertz. But we're not done. We got to know the period. I know time period is 1 over the frequency. Time period is 1 over 3 times 10 to the power of 9. So now what I do is 1 divided by my answer, and I can get the number 3.33 times 10 to the power of negative 10. Time period is measured in seconds. So hopefully you got this. If not, just click the link in the bio to join our lessons.